Oh wow.
It's dangerous.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Нет, это не.
I'm so afraid of emus. Oh my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, get out of my lap! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here! Ah, get out of here! Come on, man!
That driveway down Mayfield, and now he's on Briggs, and now it looks like he's turning into another driveway here. We're going to kind of maneuver around and see if we can get another shot of him. But yeah, he would definitely.
Right there.
Oh man! We got someone.
All right, so grass.
Don't go to her level.
Go, 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 go. Oh no. What's he got his hand in there for? Get your hand out. Oi, pal. Get your hand out. Oh, there's more, there's more, there's more. He's not doing anything. Oh. Just go, go, go a bit faster. Oh, he's got the windscreen right. Oh, no.
Out, how about that? This goat is owning people, and look at this, our knight in shining armor is there. Poor kicks there, obviously no martial artist. And it's a stand-up fair, and look at this. Oh, to the groin area, and this goat is raising hell in Brazil, look at this. I'll try to charge him, and I kick the goat into the rib area, and that was not smart. And this goat is owning this man, look at this. Look at this shit. Why? Why would you... Look at this. Spinning slam dropped him on his back. Who messes around with a bull? Idiots. Bucked him into the walls. Look at that, turned him inside out. That's right, you better run. Oh my goodness, ran right through him. People don't mess with bulls. These guys jumping for their lives. This guy's scoring up to a bullet. Oh shit, right in. What is this? Is this Comedy Central? This goat's on some gangster shit. Man all running up a pole. A cop running from a goat. Wow. Guy trying to take